Hello and welcome. My name is Annette Adamska. I am the founder and creator of Back Up Your Life. And amidst these very tumultuous, unknown COVID times, I wanted to do something, and to do something not just social distancing, but also ways to be able to do a public service announcement, so to speak, and to be able to help others as we've really now found ourselves in this interesting space of things both being urgent and important. And especially with all of the unknowns happening, there are a lot of things that we can't control right now, but something we can control is how we show up and what we're doing in the moment. So with that, I'm introducing you to day one of important and urgent, which is really taking the time to get your stuff together. There's never a good time for this. This is stuff that usually comes up for folks when it's a more time of a crisis. And right now the world is in a bit of a crisis. So how can we acknowledge that and also do what we can for ourselves and our loved ones to do the best we can with the information we have at the time we have it? So this is just a little bit of the groundwork. This is just setting the stage for us in the coming days. My hope is to do this once every weekday. We are today, if you're with us in real time, Monday, March 16th. But of course, this is something you can do anytime. So I hope to see you sometime in the future as well. A note that this is not going to be perfect, not really scripted. I have some general notes. You may hear some background clacking and clicking, which is my spouse working from home right now. And we're going to hopefully cover some areas that you'll find useful and things that you can do while you're in your home and social distancing. Or if you are working, thank you for the work that you're doing to all of our healthcare folks and also folks staffing grocery stores and things of that nature. The goal is for these to be about 5 to 10 minute videos, breaking down some really simple action steps so you can do a little bit each day and hopefully help get some planning, preparation, and peace of mind in these really uncertain times. So your action steps for today are, number 1, take a deep breath. And we're going to do one right now. Hopefully that helped a little bit. Number 2 is make a commitment. Schedule the time. You can do this a couple of ways. One, you can set 15 or 30 minutes each day in your calendar as a recurring event. Another thing you can do is comment on this video wherever you may find it, whether it be on YouTube or in my blog, or shoot me an email at annette@letsbackupyourlife.com. I'll get that to you afterwards as well, and just tell me that you're in. I just want you to know that I'm here, I'm with you, we are navigating this together, and we are going to do the best we can with what we got. And then the third thing is to share with anyone that you think might find this valuable as well. And again, as a recap, this is something new. This came to me last night when I could not sleep, of something that I can do, as a small thing that I can try to do to help other people with my knowledge, with my expertise. And for those of you who are into the Enneagram, I'm a classic type 2. So this is what I'm doing to help in this moment. Wishing you and others all the best. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so much.